Welcome to Lecture 2.4. Today, we are going to discuss the transition from futuristic manifesto to smart and intelligent building movement. In this session, we trace how buildings have shifted from passive enclosure to responsive, data-driven systems. We will examine the intersection of architecture, technology, automation, and intelligence and consider how these forces reshape form, functions, and user experience. The central idea is that future buildings will do more than shelter its occupants. They will sense environmental and user conditions, respond adaptively, learn from users' pattern, and optimize performances. This evolution follows broader technological development and echoes the visionary impulses of the futuristic movement discussed in earlier lectures. Therefore, this lecture is organized around four themes. First, we will establish a conceptual bridge between futuristic architecture thinking and modern intelligent buildings. Second, we trace the historical evolution of building management technologies from early automation system to contemporary AI-enabled platform. Third, we review the key technology that make intelligent building possible, including IoT, artificial intelligence, building automation system, cloud computing, edge computing, digital twin, and energy management systems. Finally, we will examine how futuristic principles such as dynamism, speed, simultaneity, and adaptability appear today in digital building technologies. Together, these topics explain how architecture increasingly functions as an intelligent system. Contemporary neo-futuristic architecture are often described as smart and intelligent buildings. The terms smart building and intelligent buildings are related, but they are distinct. Whereas when a smart building uses connected technologies to automated functions like lighting, HVAC, security, and energy management, typically following predefined rules or schedules, an intelligent building goes a step further, as intelligent building builds on automation by integrating structure, systems, services, and management into a coordinated adaptive framework. It analyzes patterns, depicts future conditions, and support data-driven decision making, enabling learning and real-time optimization. In short, intelligence subsumes automation. Smart buildings provides the technological foundation only that can evolve into truly intelligent environment. So, the concept of intelligent building is based on four interconnected pillars. The first is structure, which includes building fabric. The second is pillar is the system that includes different HVAC, lighting, elevators, safety systems, and other technical infrastructure. And in the third pillar is services, such as telecommunication, information technology, and digital communication networks. The fourth pillar is the management, which coordinates operation, maintenance, monitoring, and optimization of the system with respect to the energy use and resource utilization. An intelligent building achieves value by integrating these four elements and managing their relationship effectively. In this slide, we try to trace the architecture evolution from the early 20th century futuristic imagination of contemporary to contemporary AI-driven intelligent buildings. It opens with the futuristic architecture of 1910, exemplified by Antonio Santella's visionary drawings. Although most proposals of Antonio Santella remained unbuilt, but they introduced a radical concept of speed, industry power, circulation, and the city as a machine. Futurists argued that architecture should express the energy and movement of the modern age instead of copying historical styles. Their idea provided a foundation for many subsequent architecture movements. The next architecture style, which was developed after many futuristic manifesto in early 20th century architecture, is the Art Deco movement, or we can say Machine Age. It came into picture between 1920 to 30. It exemplified by the Chrysler buildings in New York. During this period, the futuristic fascination with speed, industry, and mechanization moved from theoretical drawing into built form. So, architects and designers embraced geometry, ornament, stepped setback, and strong vertical emphasis, often using metallic finishes and streamlined motifs drawn from machines and transportation. These buildings advertise industrial progress. Facades, spires, and lobbies become visual testimonies to technology, prowess, and economic optimism. While the earlier futurist phase glorified machines through speculative imaginary, Art Deco and Machine Age architecture translate that enthusiasm into completed structure. Moving forward, we encountered the international side, which emerges during 1920 and continued into the 1950s. Architects such as Walter Gropius and Le Corbusier prompted functionalism, standardization, and regional building designs. Buildings were stripped to unnecessarily ornamentations and designed according to efficiency and universal principles. Glass tiers and reinforced concrete become the dominant material. Architecture was increasingly viewed as a tool for solving practical problems rather than merely creating visual impressions. This evolution continued into high modernism during the 1930 to 1960. Buildings as the Seagram building demonstrate the idea of efficiency, standardization, and industrial production. Architecture now become increasingly systematic and organized. Designer focused on creating structures that could serve large number of users through modular planning and technological precision. At this stage, the machines was no longer simple as inspiration, but it became a model for how buildings should function. The next movement is metabolistic architect movement. Metabolist movement of the 1960 to 70 introduced a new perspective. Architects viewed buildings as living organs, capable of growth and adaptation. The Nekijin Capsule Tower in Tokyo is a famous example. Its modern capsule were designed to be replaced individually over time. This idea reflects a shift from permanence, tower flexibility, and change. Buildings were no longer considered fixed objects, but evolving systems capable of responding to future needs. The timeline then moves to high-tech architecture of 1970. Through the 1990s, buildings such as Lloyd Building in London and the Central Pompidou in Paris openly displayed their structure and service systems. Mechanical equipment, circulation systems, and technical infrastructures become visible design features now. Technology was celebrated as an essential part of the architecture in this phase. This period marked the beginning of the architectural transition from purely physical system towards digital supported environment. Then the 21st century started. And in the beginning of the 21st century, from 2000 to 2010, a new style of architecture, that is neo-futurism, was emerged. Buildings such as Walt Disney Concert Hall and the Hyder Elia Center were made possible through advanced computational design tools. Architects used digital modeling, simulation, and parametric design to create fluid and highly complex forms. Technologies was no longer only visible in the building's appearance, but also embedded within the design process itself. Architects become increasingly connected to digital intelligence and data driven decision makings in this stage. After that, finally, we arrive at the present era of AI driven, sustainable, intelligent buildings. Examples such as the Edge in Amsterdam, Bosco Vertical in Milan, and AI Behra Towers in Abu Dhabi demonstrate how buildings can sense, analyze, and respond to changing conditions. Through IoT sensors, artificial intelligence, digital twins, and advanced energy management systems, these buildings continuously optimize comfort, energy use, security, and environmental performances. Unlike earlier periods that focuses primarily on forms or technology, contemporary intelligent buildings combine sustainability, adaptability, and learning capabilities within a single integrated system. Therefore, it can be seen that architecture has evolved through a continuous progression. It began with the futurist dream of mechanical dynamism, moved through the technological and digital transformation of the 20th century, and has now entered the era of cognitive architecture, where buildings are capable of sensing, learning, adapting, and interacting with their users. These conceptual arcs can be summarized as a transition from mechanical dynamism to digital intelligence and finally to cognitive architecture. So, the conceptual bridge between futuristic architecture vision and today's intelligent building rests on the common emphasis, that is, transformation, responsiveness, and technological innovation. Futurist architecture is the early 20th century, celebrated motion, speed, and the aesthetic of modern machines, proposing buildings and urban senses that would actively reflect the tempo and complexity of industrial life. Rather than merely pursuing novel forms, they imagined dynamic environments like facade, interiors, and urban systems that appear to change with use and context. Contemporary intelligent buildings also realize many of those ambitions, but they do so through digital infrastructures rather than purely sculptural gestures. Embedded sensors, wireless networks, and automated control systems continuously monitor environmental and operational parameters and feed that data into algorithms that optimize performance in real time. Machine learning and predictive analytics enables these systems to detect pattern, anticipate needs, and adapt settings before discomfort or inefficiency arises. In this way, intelligence shifts the future program from an aesthetic to movement of an operational logic of adaptability. Architecture that not only look dynamic but behaves dynamically. The result is a practical convergence of avant-garde aspiration and the technical capability. The idea, once framed as the speculative manifestos, have migrated into everyday building practice, shaping how spaces are managed, experienced, and sustained. For architects, this linkage invites a dual responsibility to connect technological agencies in service of human and environmental goals and to translate the futurist interest in temporality and change into ethical, resilient design strategies rather than purely performative spectacles. Therefore, with the technological development and advancements during the late 20th century, architecture thinking also changed significantly. Buildings now begin to be understood as a system rather than isolated objects. Attention of the architects or designers shifted from visual form alone to measurable performance, including efficiency, comfort, environment quality. At the same time, adaptability becomes increasingly important because technologies and user needs change rapidly. These developments share important similarities with futurist idea that challenged static and permanent architecture. However, Unlike the dramatic rhetoric of futurism, late 20th century approaches adopted a more analytical and technological grounded perspective focused on performance and continuous improvement. Building intelligence and the so called building intelligence of the modern time can be shaped into two complementary dimensions. The first dimension is the passive intelligence, and the second dimension is active intelligence. So, any building, any intelligent building should have these two type of intelligence in it. The passive intelligence include design strategies embedded in the building forms, orientation, materials, and envelope. These features help the building to respond naturally to climate conditions without mechanical systems. Active intelligence include technologies such as sensors, building management systems, artificial intelligence, control, and digital twins. These systems monitor and optimize building performance in real time. Together, passive and active intelligence reduce energy demand, lower environmental impact, and improve operational efficiency, creating buildings that are both resilient and responsive. Passive intelligence refers to architectural strategies that improve performance without continuous energy. Orientation and massing help manage solar heating gains throughout the year. The thermal envelope include insulation and highlight performance glazing, stabilizes indoor temperature, shading devices such as overhangs and vegetations reduce unwanted solar gains while maintaining daylight access. Passive ventilation use natural air movement through features like atria and operable vents. Daylighting strategies distribute natural light effective and reduce dependency on artificial light. Green roofs and courtyard improves microclimates, reduce heat island effects, and support storm water management. Together, these strategies enhance comfort and energy and reduce energy consumption during the building operation. So, together, all these strategies incorporate a passive intelligence into building to reduce the operational energy demand. Then we come to active intelligence. Active intelligence consists of technology driven systems that monitor and optimize building performance. Building management system control HVAC, lighting, and security using real time data. Smart sensors and IoT devices collect information about occupancy, indoor air, and quality at daylight levels. Adaptive facade systems adjust to changing solar condition and glare. Artificial intelligence predicts energy demand and improve operational efficiency. Demand responsive energy systems interact with the grid and integrated renewable energy sources and battery storage. Digital twin creates virtual building models that identify efficiencies and support improvements. These technologies help create responsive, effective, and data driven building environment. Therefore, we can say that the active intelligence is basically addressing the reduced energy demand come after applying passive intelligence in the building. So, the core idea of active intelligence is to provide a comfortable indoor environment while making efficient use of resources as well as energy. Several technologies work together within intelligent buildings. The Internet of Things provides sensor networks that collect data from the physical environment. Artificial intelligence analyzes the data and support optimization. Building automation systems coordinate technical operations. Cloud computing enables large-scale storage and remote access. Edge computing processes information close to the source of rapid responses. Digital twin create virtual representation of physical buildings. These technologies are interconnected rather than independent. They combined together allow buildings to become more efficient, adaptive, and responsive over time. The Internet of Things form the sensing layer of intelligent building. Sensors which are monitoring different parameters like temperature, humidity, occupancy, etc. And the data is transmitted through communication protocols and processed by control or management system. The building management system gathers information then for multiple sensors and supports coordinated decision making. IoT enables continuous awareness of building conditions and user behaviors. This information improves operational efficiency, occupant comfort, safety, and resource management. So the artificial intelligence transforms building automation into building cognition also in advanced stage. Traditional systems follows predefined rules, while AI system learn from historical and real-time data. Predictive analytics can forecast occupancy pattern, equipment failure, and energy demands. Machine learning algorithms identifies anomalies and improve operational efficiency. Real-time optimization adjusts environmental conditions continuously according to changing requirements. Next is building automation system, which is making a simple building, a conventional building to intelligent building. It acts as the control backbone of the intelligent building. It integrates HVAC, lighting, elevators, security, and life safety systems within the single platform. Through continuous monitoring and control, building automation system improve comfort, energy efficiency, and operational reliability. Building automation system provides occupancy-based scheduling, day lighting harvesting, and access control integration, and emergency response functions in a coordinated manner. Next is cloud computing and edge computing. Cloud computing and edge computing represents two complementary approaches of data processing. Cloud computing provides large-scale storage, long-term analytics, software updates, and remote management capabilities. Edge computing performs processing locally at sensor or gateways. This reduces delay and enables rapid response in critical situations, such as security incidents or fire emergencies. Edge computing also improves resilience when internet connectivity is unavailable. Next comes digital twins. Digital twin is a continuously updated virtual representation of a physical building. They combines BIM modeling with real-time sensor data. Digital twin allows operators to monitor performance, simulate future scenarios, and elevates interventions before implementation. Application includes energy forecasting, facility management, retrofits, planning, and emergency simulations. Next is energy management in intelligent buildings. So energy management is a major object of intelligent building. Smart meters, demand response systems, renewable energy integration, and automated scheduling contribute to significant energy saving. Therefore, intelligent building can reduce energy consumption by approximately 25 to 30% compared with the conventional buildings. Sensors and submetering systems provide a detailed information about energy use across different zones. Building systems can respond automatically to electricity pricing, occupancy level, and environmental conditions. Historical data and predictive analytics further support long-term energy planning and sustainability goals. So, we can say that the main essence of intelligent building system is to make efficient use of energy in the building operation. Next comes to security and access control. As security system in intelligent building integrates access control, surveillance, and communication technology, biometric authentication, fingerprint scanner, swipe card, pin-based systems, and video intercom regulates access to different building areas. CCTV system continuously monitor activities and can be linked directly with the building automation platforms. Every entry and exit event is recorded, supporting accountability and audit process. Access permissions can be modified dynamically. Next parameter is lifespan and wellness. Intelligent buildings support life safety through integrated fire alarms, smoke detectors, sprinkler system, emergency lighting, and evacuation management. HVAC systems can be overridden during emergencies to control smoke movement and improve occupant protection. Notification can be transmitted automatically to relevant personnel. Beyond safety, intelligent buildings also enhance wellness as indoor air quality monitoring, thermal comfort control, circadian lighting, and acoustic management contribute to healthier and more productive environments. These features demonstrate that intelligent technologies support both the protection and the well-being. So the futuristic principles which are mapped to smart building or intelligent building technologies are described here.
The first two futurist principles examined here are dynamism and experimentality. Dynamism emphasized constant movement and change. In intelligent buildings, this appears through real-time adaptation of HVAC systems and continuously updated digital twins. Experimentality emphasized flexibility rather than
Permanence in the building structure. Today's software defines system, modular technologies, and upgradable infrastructure allow buildings to evolve over time and in the whole life cycle of a building. These examples demonstrate how historical architecture ideas have been translated into practical digital capabilities within the contemporary buildings. Next two futuristic principles were speed and simultaneity. Speed referred to immediate response and rapid adaptation. Modern age computing delivers near zero latency processing that enables fast reaction to changing conditions. Therefore, the new intelligent building is responding the changing need of the occupants and changing requirement of the climate spontaneously. Simultaneity describes multiple systems operating together within complex urban environments. In this line, intelligent building achieve this through interconnected data streams, evolving security, energy, environmental control, and communication systems. These technologies allow many processes to function simultaneously while remaining coordinated through integrated management platforms. The advanced telecommunication provide the communication infrastructure requirement for intelligent buildings. Services include private telephone exchange, internet connectivity, video conferencing, public addressing systems, and integrated cabling networks. Wireless technologies extended this flexibility by enabling remote control and monitoring. Sensors in intelligent building can automate irrigation systems also, maintenance alerts, and environmental controls. Wireless solutions are particularly valuable in buildings and require frequent recognition. The intelligent building provides numerous advantages, including improved safety, operational efficiency in terms of energy use and resource use, assess tracking, reduced administrative costs, and better integration of services. Shared infrastructure lowers cost and increase flexibility at the same time. However, challenges also exist. Initial construction costs are higher, integrated systems are more complex and specialized. Therefore, specialized expertise are required. Technology life cycle are shorter than building lifespan. This difference creating continuous upgrade requirement. Cybersecurity and interoperability issue must be addressed in all stages of building life cycle. Therefore, intelligent building often significantly benefit but requires careful planning and management also. From an environmental perspective, intelligent building supports sustainability through energy efficient use. That means it uses the energy in the right amount and whenever it is required. So, next is renewable integration, life cycle management, and reduced environmental impact. Environmentally, higher initial investment must be evaluated using long term material such as net present value, and present worth. Here, we presented a comparison between ordinary or conventional building and intelligent building, highlighting the key differences. Intelligent building automatically regulates the environmental conditions, while conventional buildings rely more heavily on manual controls. They require multidisciplinary teams like building automation system managers and hardware specialists, architects, and security communication and building operations are integrated. Therefore, the intelligent building systems also have a coordinated security and communication systems controlled by a single workstation. However, in conventional building, they both things behaves differently as they have only manual controls. Intelligent building also require periodic technology upgradation within their broader structural lifespan, which was not required in normal buildings. This comparison demonstrates the operational advantage achieved through the intelligence integration. However, with respect to the construction cost, it also have these seen that the ordinary buildings are having baseline cost, whereas in the intelligent building systems, the initial cost used to be risen by 8 to 10% in comparison to the conventional building cost. But this rise can be justified through the energy savings which we are going to achieve in the operational life cycle of a building, and that is up to 25 to 35%. So the energy consumption in the intelligent buildings are comparatively quite lower than the conventional buildings, and this comparison demonstrates the operational advantages achieved through the intelligent buildings in the comparison of conventional buildings. The future of the intelligent buildings includes greater AI integration, mobile connectivity, remote management, smart city connection, and 5G enabled communication networks. Buildings will increasingly interact with the transportation systems, electrical grids, and emergency services. At the same time, challenges remain: financial concern, limited awareness, cybersecurity risk, interoperability issue, and responsibilities for integrated system management continue to affect implementation. Addressing these challenges will be essential for wider adoption and long-term success. So, in summary, intelligent building represents the evolution of architecture from automated towards cognitive. We distinguished smart and intelligent buildings, reviewed their historical development, and examined by enabling technologies. We also explored the three dimensions of building intelligence. We also explored the two dimensions of building intelligence and linked futuristic principle with the contemporary digital systems. We also discussed energy saving potentials, economic considerations, security, wellness, and future trends in the intelligent building systems. These are the references for this lecture. Thank you so much for your patience learning.